How to create Fubo TV account. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. First of all, you have to open up your preferred browser in your PC. Here I have opened up Google Chrome. After that, in the search bar you have to click and search for Fubo TV. Here I have already searched for it, so the suggestion is given over here. After searching for it, you'll be able to see the search results. So you have to go through the Fubo TV over here. And you can see here the Fubo TV is not available in my location. If it's also not available in your location, then you can go for support.fubo.tv, where you can also chat with the assistant and know whether the Fubo TV is available in your location or there are some error. If it's available in your location, then when you click the Fubo TV option, you'll be opened up to a official web page of Fubo TV, and you'll be able to see the sign up option in the screen over here, where you have to enter your information regarding your Gmail ID and other necessary information for creating an account, and according to the information your profile will be created, and by following that process you can create Fubo TV account. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.